everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're checking out the Disney Alice in Wonderland box from Sophie and Toffee. Just take a look at this box. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I just love the design of this box. So this box feels really heavy. It seems like there is a lot of items in there. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my goodness, look at the inside. This is so pretty. Here is a little booklet. Look how beautiful it is. So front and back, it's so well designed. And on the inside, it tells you everything that comes in the box and also some instructions on how to make some of the items. Alright, so let's dig in. Oh my goodness, look at this. So here, first item here is a packet of polymer clay ace cards. This is Alice in Wonderland themed, so of course we're going to have some cards. And look, they're all aces. So we got hearts, we got spades, we got some clovers, and some diamonds. Next, we get a pack of mica powder. So there is 5 of them, and here are the colors. We got blue, green, gold, white, and what looks like brown or maybe copper. We get a set of epoxy resin. These are 1:1 ratio. Oh, look, we even get a bottle of UV resin. So there's 25 grams of this one. Here is a pack of ear hooks and jump rings. Here is a pack of some charms. So these are open bezel charms. Okay, so our first one here, oh, this is so cute, you guys. Okay, so our first one here is kind of a set of arrows. They're road signs pointing to different directions. There is a little tag here that says Disney. Okay, and this one looks like the Queen of Hearts. Oh my goodness. Here is, oh, little caterpillar. Oh, look. This is so cute. And the last one is, oh, it's a Cheshire cat. Oh, these are so cute. And I love that it does come with a little Disney tag so that you know this is a licensed item. Okay, next we have a set of blue ball chain. I think you can use this for these charms. There's 2 of them in there. And here is our first set of molds. Okay, so this might be a little hard to see, but seems like we have a lantern. We've got some lanterns, some leaves, flowers, a little bottle that says drink. This looks like a little pencil, a little clam, another bottle down here. So if you look in the booklet, you can see what it looked like after they're done. And our next one here is another mold. This one is actually a base, so I'm not going to take it out. This one is a base, and it is meant for this one, this larger one. Okay, so this one has a whole bunch of arrows on it, and there is a rod here. So what you can do with the rod is you stick it into the stand. And taking a look here, this is the Alice in Wonderland signpost mold. So when you're done, you can make something like this. I can't wait to try that. Next, we have a sheet of Alice in Wonderland designed film. So this film is made of plastic. I think these are little stickers. And as you can see, they're transparent. So you can cut them out and lay them inside your resin. This one's really pretty. And here, next, we have a little bottle of pink star glitters. And finally, this is our last mold. Oh, look, it's a bottle. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. So it is a little bit thick, so that means you can make it into a shaker bottle. And here, you even have a drink me tag. Here is the picture of what it would look like. And in this book, we also have the instructions to make the Alice in a Bottle shaker. On the next page, we have the instructions to make the signpost. Alright everyone, so what do you think of this box? Isn't it amazing? What I love about this box is that there's so many different types of projects that you can make. So I'm going to go ahead and do these projects in a separate video. Make sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified of those videos when I post them. Alright, see you soon. Bye.